these things have to come as a package deal. These things have to come together. You need to be mobile, you need to be stable. What are these two things? Stability, very simply, is your ability to resist a movement. Okay? Core stability, like we just worked on in the gymnastics module, is about resisting this movement. The ability to go into a hollow position is about you being able to resist an arch position. The ability to go into an arch position is about you being able to resist going into a hollow position. The ability to squat and not let your knees falling in, that stability there is the ability to stop the knees falling in. So that's you trying to avoid or resist the movement. Avoiding positions that may lead to injury or lack of efficiency or lack of strength. On the other hand, mobility is the ability to allow movement. This is where we're trying to resist. This is where we're trying to create movement. So can you guys see that we need both? Because if you don't have both, you don't have structure, which comes from being stable, and you don't have movement, which comes from being mobile. Must have both pieces to that puzzle. And you'll see some people are hypermobile. They've got a lot of ligament laxity, joint laxity, but they can't stabilize the load. You see some people who can stabilize the load easily, but they're so tight that they can't move into positions. You can see one without the other is not going to work.